We had an opportunity to go back and kind of redo an existing classroom to give us a new media room. We added a soundproof room for recording, a control room, and then a video production area out in the front, or a green room that the students can take the opportunity to learn from. We went into the existing health building in the back. There was an area that was previously CNI certified nurse aid, and it was utilized as a testing area. We was able to take that area and knock a wall out to give them access for an isolation room, and then it gave them an area to work with as a SIMS lab, and it gave the staff an opportunity to have an observation that they can use their nursing students and kind of control what happens to the new SIMS patients as they go through learning. Claremore campus, we constructed a new privacy fence just to the north side of the property. There was a new, I think some new ownership took place, and they had a lot heavier usage of that property. New residential population moved in, so we built a new cedar privacy fence that ran across it that gave our campus a needed barrier. For our campus, some of the projects that we performed over the summer is we constructed a new flagpole. When you pull in the entrance, you'll see 3 flagpoles right as you drive into the entrance that gave a great introduction to the campus as you pull in. Going down the hill kind of outside behind our old maintenance building, we had some pretty heavily wooded area that we contracted a company to come in with a bulldozer and to push all those trees up and burn and kind of clean that area up. This will allow us to move our bus and bigger vehicles back to park it behind our maintenance shop and free up an area that was currently bus parking to be utilized for additional training. On the very back of the campus, we put up a fence, chain link fence area, and run it over to just a manual Harley gate. It's a slide gate that is able to open, just to show that, hey, this is an area that's specific for training. It's not just accessible for everybody to come in.